Yes people, and welcome back to AJ Cars and welcome back to another video on the E46 restoration build. Now, if you watched the last two videos, we have fitted plenty of stuff to this car. We've already done the interior, well, half of the interior, that's what we're going to be doing today. But we've done the steering wheel, sunroof motor, we've fitted new seats, dents have been removed on the car, we've done new lights, front and rear. So plenty of stuff has been done to this car and we have more going on, but we're going to focus on the interior for the start of this build. I want to get the interior nice before I do anything to the exterior. So there's actually a lot more stuff that I've missed that we do need, so it's going to be quite a lot to be done today, but we will get through it. We also have a new gear stick and gaiter, I think it's called, the leather around it. We have new ones of them going on. We also have cup holders instead of this tray down here, so that's going in, and then we're going to be pushing on to the rear, and I'm hoping to get it all done. We also have these trims at the front as well, because I am going to do it today. So I think it's time we actually attack this. It's going to be a long day, but it will get done. So we're going to start with this. We have a new one here. It's very similar to this. It hasn't got the chrome on the bottom, but this one should look good. I'm hoping this fits as well. We also have the gaiter and we have the cup holders which sit here. Now I have no idea how any of this comes out, so we are going to attack it. I know this just pulls off. I don't know about this though, so we're going to attack this now. Is next. Now I can only assume this just actually pulls off, so I'm just going to try actually right there. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. Okay, that was simple enough. So now that's out, I think get these two, probably put them together or something like this. Oh, that is just the most simple job. Absolutely beautiful. And now we have cup holders. Beautiful. So that is them two done. Right, I think it's time to move on to these trims here and then moving on to them ones. So let's get these off. This side is done. Obviously it's black so it matches. I need to re-trim it, so I'm going to get some glue. I don't know if you've watched the channel before. If you have, you will have known that I've done my Golf, this Golf Alcantara, the boot and the front. You can't really see it, but I use the trim fix. It's like an adhesive, it's like a spray on glue, so I'm going to do that and re-trim this so it looks proper. And also I'm going to end up either buying another one of these, same the other side, or just painting it black so they match. But that is going to stay like that until I sort that. So that's how this other side's going to look as well. So that is both of them done. Gear stick and gaiters on, cup holders are in. Now it's time to work on these. Now I didn't want to bore you with the whole thing because that was an absolute nightmare to get back on, because you have to get this adjuster back on the belt, and you have to hook it up here, and it was just a nightmare. So I didn't film the whole thing, and I'm not going to film the other side because it's pointless because they're the same thing. So I'm just going to quickly jump that. But yeah, that's in. I've quickly just took the seats out because they're only clipped in. So what I need to do now is I need to get this off and this off, take the parcel shelf out, and then I can fit the belts, all the trims, the rear parcel shelf that runs at the back, and the belts that sit down here. Now I'm going to try and get as much of this on film as I can. If I can't, I apologise, but we're going to get going. So apologies, the camera did die, but what I've done here is I've changed this seal around here to black because they were cream. There's a black clip here for the cover for the belt. They were cream, then all black, so it was a bit of a hassle just for them two little bits, but yeah, you got to take all of this off. But now what I'm going to focus on now is getting the belts in. They bolt in up here, up back there, then the seat belts, actual clamps go down here. Then I'm going to work on the parcel shelf, but my camera keeps on dying and I haven't got another one, so I'm going to try and get as much done as possible on film. But if it is a bit jumpy and I'm missing a few bits, I do apologise, but I don't have the charger with me, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film as much as possible, carry on doing this, and then I'll check back with you when we actually have some footage. So guys, this is where we're at. Headrests are in, top pieces in, upholstery's in. Now, I'm pretty sure near enough all of this is built up now. But we have also got brackets. Now, I'm not sure if these are the right way up or not, so I'm going to have to trial fit this a few times. Also, these belts. These are for a model with the middle seat, so it does have that, so I've got an extra headrest somewhere. So I've actually got these off another car, so that won't be going on. But we also have a spare belt. Now I'm hoping these are the right way, so we're gonna have to do some trial fitting and make sure these actually are the right way. Once they are, these bad boys here can go back in, then the bottom seat can go in. Then I'm pretty sure we're about done, but that's just wishful thinking, so we will find out. So then people, seats are in. These brackets down here, the four, these were upside down, so I had to switch them over. They were easy because you can see the bolt there. I've actually ended up cutting the safety belt off this one because there was two each side, so we didn't actually need them. But this is the final product. Boots all built up, headrests are in, parcel shelf is done, side trims, belts are in, covers, upholstery, seats, belts down here, brackets. This is done, clips done, this is changed, speakers are in. I'm pretty happy with that. I think this looks so much better now it's done, now it's actually looking like a car. Next up is going to be the headrest, the roof line. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I either find one with a sunroof that's black, that'll match the interior, or I'll do something different with it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, this is the interior, all fitted up. I'd say that is a pretty successful day. So people, there you have it. The interior is done. I'm happy with it now. I can finally drive the car comfortably and not have to think about rebuilding that entire interior. So yeah, the interior is all done now. I'm very happy. Now we can move on to some fun stuff. We're going to start doing some cosmetics to this car. Now, I've got a few things in mind that I want to do to the exterior because this eventually will be a show car build. Kind of similar to the Golf, but probably a little bit better in my opinion because there's so much more you can do to these cars. And I've got a few ideas on the style that I want to go for. So I'm going to get looking at a few bits for this car. Then hopefully the content should get a bit more exciting. And I'm hoping you will enjoy it. And I'm hoping you like the style that I go for. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this because this is going to be a long project. We'll see you guys in the next one.